It is rightly said that education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. It is at the pedestal of a nation's true progress, the basis of creative thought, knowledge, and wisdom. It is fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development. Providing universal access to quality education is the key to India's continued ascent and leadership on the global stage in terms of economic growth, social justice, and equality. Thus, the National Education Policy was conceptualized recognizing the imperative role of having a robust and pragmatic education system that caters to the dynamic needs of incumbent batches of students. In this video, we look at several schemes launched by PM Modi to mark NEP's one-year anniversary and gauge how far it has come in transforming the Indian academic landscape. The NEP is a comprehensive framework to guide the development of education in the country. The need for a novel education policy was felt from a very long time. Yet it was only in 2020 that a trailblazing policy was launched under the leadership of PM Modi. And it won't be wrong to say that no policy since independence has earned the nation's admiration and interest as much as the National Education Policy. And why not? It was an outcome of a massive consultative process, years of wait, and came against the backdrop of a nation's resolve to be self-reliant. Skilling and reskilling the nation, creating an immense human capital, and restoring character building at the core of education constitute the soul of NEP 2020. With the successful completion of 1 year of the National Education Policy, PM Modi launched multiple ambitious initiatives like National Digital Education Architecture, National Education Technology Forum, and a website dedicated to artificial intelligence. Among the other initiatives launched by PM Modi in the Academic Bank of Credit that will provide multiple entry and exit points to students in higher education. Further, initiatives like PM eVidya enable students with multi-mode access to education and benefits nearly 27 crore school-going children across India. The policy aims for the holistic development of India's youth with emphasis on skill development. It has set the target of providing vocational skills to at least 50% students by 2025. By this, the government is empowering the country's youth to transform from job seekers to job creators by inculcating an entrepreneurial spirit. NEP will make India's youth future ready and aims at transforming the country into world's largest skilled workforce. NEP envisions an education system rooted in Indian ethos that contributes directly to transforming India sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high-quality education to all. Congruent to the PM's vision, the policy envisages a curriculum that develops among students a deep sense of respect towards fundamental duties and constitutional values. That's all for today. For more such interesting updates, stay tuned.